Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels, and today I'm going to take you on a little road trip through the beautiful mountains of British Columbia, Canada. So you may have heard of the Coquihalla Highway from a little TV show called Highway Through Hell, or most recently the Coquihalla has made headlines worldwide after our province was hit with excessive rain and flooding, destroying bridges and sections of this amazing highway. This past summer, the Coquihalla was closed several times due to catastrophic fires ripping through the area, taking out hundreds of hectares of forest lining this highway. So let's have a look on Google Maps at the area we'll be driving through today. This is Vancouver, and right over here is Hope, British Columbia. We'll be taking Highway 5, which is the Coquihalla, up to Merritt, and then taking the 97C, which is the connector, to West Kelowna. The Coquihalla was opened in 1986. It was actually a toll highway and would cost you $10 to travel on it each way. The toll was finally removed in 2008, which we were all really happy about. We travel on the Coquihalla a fair bit, as it's the quickest and most direct route from Kelowna or Kamloops to Vancouver. We try to avoid traveling on it between November and April, as it can be absolutely treacherous. Obviously, if they can make a TV show about it called Highway Through Hell, it must be bad. Keith and I have been first on the scene of a fatal accident, and we've seen many accidents, and that's just something you can't unsee. We've driven through fog so thick you literally can't see more than a few feet in front of you. We've driven through blizzards and windstorms and fires like the one you saw in the clip earlier. It really is a dangerous highway. Today, though, it's a clear, beautiful day, so sit back and relax and enjoy the music. I hope you enjoy this trip through the mountains of beautiful British Columbia on the Coquihalla Highway. thanks for watching this video today on the Coquihalla Highway. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I will see you next time on Tinagirl Travels.